What is up, everybody? Welcome back. We are hopping over to the gym. We're going to get a crazy lift. It's back day. I did not work out yesterday. Well, I hit some abs. We always try to hit some abs and cardio. I always do that no matter what. But we didn't. You gonna run into me? You gonna run into me, buddy? Good. Give me that insurance money. But yeah, so I didn't really work out yesterday. I had a lot of stuff going on that I had to take care of. So I just didn't really get to it. And so I, decided to just not work out yesterday, I guess. I didn't want to kill myself. I got terrible sleep last night. So I was really even contemplating working out today because I just really haven't had any energy. And it's not like motivation to go to the gym. It's really based off of my energy levels. And I know I'm on a cut and carbs, all of that great stuff. But I tried to eat a little bit more carbs today so I could have a little bit more energy because back is an extremely intensive workout. That's why I decided not to do chest today because I'm like, I want to make sure I focus on my back. Chest is, for me, not a long workout, so I typically can fit it in, but I need to start focusing more on my chest and make it a longer workout, make it more intensifying, make it more tiring, so that I can grow my chest more, right? So that's what I'm probably going to do, split it into 5 days now, because I really want to focus on those body parts to grow, So I'm really going to give them a day because when I work out hard. And I work out for a long time. So I think I'm going to start splitting it up. Arms is a different story because there's only so much you can do for it's only so many variations of bicep curls and so many tricep things you can do. You got 3 parts of your triceps, which most of the workouts kind of hit. And if you do all of them and, you got rope and that hits it doesn't actually hit the long head. It's the short head or whatever heads. And then I can't remember which one, underhand grip, pull downs, hit the long head, I don't know, science behind that stuff. I'm not really a scientific learner. I just want to be able to hit the body parts that I hit, I always like trying to I always watch YouTube videos of oh, this, it's this and this. And I try it. And if it feels good, it feels good. If it doesn't, I just go back to what I'm used to. So yeah, also my protein intake was horrid yesterday. I only got 146 grams of protein yesterday. So shame on me for that. Yeah, but today I've gotten my protein in, so yeah. But I'm getting really tired of chicken and rice and beef and rice. I'm thinking I'm more of liking beef and rice, but chicken and rice is so much more protein for you. So, it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do to get big and swole and have a big pee-pee, as we all say. But we are at the gym. I will see you guys inside. It's going to be back day. No chest today, so we're going to see how that goes. I'm going to try to get a good little warm-up, stretch in. My back's been extremely tight these past couple of nights, so I don't know why, but we will see what is going on, what is popping in the gym on a Saturday night while all y'all fuckers out partying. I'm over here dancing in the gym like a maniac. All right, I'll see you guys inside. All right, what's up in this, John? Starting with some lat pull downs. I don't know what weight I want to start with, but something like that. D. Let's up it on one more set, a little bit more strict. Jeez, that song was way too loud. There we go. All right, let's get into this. These are not as strict, but they're heavier, super overloading upper lats, kind of the entire back in my mind. So at least that's why I do these. I don't know. It's just fun. I'm not saying it's proper form. I don't advise anybody to do this or do what I do just because I'm not always right. And I probably am not right. 210, lock it in. All right. So back. Going heavy today. About 7-8 reps. We're using wrist wraps just to help with the forearm. So we get everything. Oh, I forgot this thing twists, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut all this out now because I lined it up wrong, like a little dummy. Oh my gosh, this thing doesn't like have stuff wrapped around it. Let me just tell you that. I'm not normally a big wrist wrap guy, but recently, because of my forearm overactivation, I've been really focused on. One set. That's all I'm gonna film with these. But I'd say the hardest part about the gym is keep going and never quit. And I don't know, just fighting away the memories. Nobody wants those. Dear God. Shit.
top on this. I don't know how I'm going to be able to do these just because I think I just hurt my rotator cuff again. I know. And I stretched it out this. Yeah, I definitely did. But we're going to do some of these. Hopefully it doesn't hurt that bad. There we go. All right. Step back in. Down there. All right, step on. Should be enough weight. Mike is bugging out, but we'll get through it. Wow, that's a crazy workout. Wow. All right, let's check this pump. I don't know how this is. I can't see how I'm sorry. All right. See how this looking. See, we still got the love handles. How are the lats looking? Alright, let's check out this back. Alright, we're looking good and I'm not even flexing. Alright. I don't know how to flex my back. Like my upper rhomboid. I mean, we're starting to see a lot of development in the back. Starting to see the V a little bit. We're definitely seeing a lot of back development, but we're about to see the lat spread. I don't know how to flat spread from the front. But you guys can see it without my arms covering it. But my back. Holy. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know what it's gonna look like. Maybe, oh, I like flexing on this thing. Yeah, the pump is looking like the back's growing. Like you can tell really by like this, they're really starting to develop the lower, which that's what I've been really working on here recently, is really developing the full. I mean, look at that versus that. Big difference there. Let me stand up straight. See, I can't flex my left bicep at all. All right, I'll see you guys when we get back.